I told you the lie.
The lie you believe about not being good enough didn't even start with you. For years, I carried the heavy burden of, I'm not good enough. We often think this lie is born from our own mistakes, a stumble during a presentation, a criticism that stings, or a comparison to someone's perfect online life. We internalize these moments, letting them write a powerful, toxic narrative in our minds. You're not smart enough, not talented enough, not worthy enough. It's the invisible chain that holds us back from opportunities and dims our light. This lie isn't passive, it's an active saboteur. It makes us hesitate when a promotion is offered. It keeps us from launching that passion project. It even makes us withdraw from meaningful connections, terrified of being found out. The energy we spend convincing ourselves that we're not good enough could have been spent achieving so much more. This lie doesn't just cost us opportunities, it costs us our very selves. I finally got tired of living this way. I started digging deeper, looking beyond my own mistakes. That's when I found the shocking truth. This lie wasn't mine to begin with. It was passed down. My grandmother hesitated to start her own business because she was told women weren't fit for leadership. My mother was taught to always put others first, which stifled her own dreams. I wasn't creating this self-doubt from scratch. I was simply inheriting a legacy of it. The moment I realized this, everything changed. I understood that their fears and the limitations placed upon them became the silent whispers in my own mind. But I also realized something else. My worth isn't determined by their experiences or by my own past failures. It's inherent. It's non-negotiable. I have the power to break this chain, to rewrite this narrative, not just for myself, but for future generations. So, don't let a fabricated narrative, whether it's from your past, your family, or society, define your reality. Recognize the lie, release its grip, and step into the incredible, capable person you already are. Your journey starts now. Believe it. Subscribe, like, comment, and share for more stories on Mindshift Insights 360.